My name is Majenta Strongheart, and I'm head of design and partnerships at Supplyframe DesignLab. Despite the challenges that 2020 has presented, our team has been busier than ever working on a range of open source and commercial projects. With remote collaboration being more of a necessity, we've had to get creative with how we measure, analyze, and harness our data. Liquid Instruments was kind enough to provide several of our teams with their Moku Lab 12-in-1 hardware platform, which combines the digital signal processing power of an FPGA with analog inputs and outputs. This simplifies workflows by offering access to 12 professional-grade instruments in a single solution, ranging from an oscilloscope to a spectrum analyzer, data logger, and more. Support for Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB also provided some of our teams with the connectivity they needed to collaborate in this new normal. Let's dive into some of the most ambitious projects and products that came through the Design Lab in 2020. HandIQ is a device that promotes hand washing and individual hygiene through multiple types of feedback. This is accomplished through the use of multiple sensors and Bluetooth technology that anonymously detects a person's presence in any shared space. HandIQ has been under development at the Design Lab since its inception, but received an accelerated launch this year in response to the pandemic and is currently available for pre-order. For this year's Dream Team initiative, Team Edja created a buoy that allows fishers to track the position of traps and utilizes a ropeless mechanism to prevent entanglements, thereby benefiting both fishers and ocean environments simultaneously. Like all of our Dream Teams, this team required creative modes of prototyping and remote collaboration across continents. At the beginning of this year, we participated in the Caltech JPL 37-day engineering sprint to develop from prototype to production a ventilator that could be mass-produced and FDA approved. Our 2020 Hackaday Grand Prize winner, Cameron, is putting his Moku Lab to good use through his project, the Byte. This hands-free universal interface addresses our open call challenge for the United Cerebral Palsy of Los Angeles. User inputs like mouse movement and clicking are all accomplished using only the mouth, giving people with limited mobility a capable means of interfacing with their electronics. Over the last few months, we've been involved with another unique interface thanks to Loomia, an interactive tile that features their impressive e-textile components. We're incredibly proud of the work we've been able to accomplish this year, due in no small part to our dedicated partners and community of innovators. We look forward to supporting more global teams and impactful projects into 2021 and beyond.